Welcome back to ClearTask. Today we are going to see how to quickly merge multiple PowerPoint presentations into a single file. First, open your primary PowerPoint presentation. This is the main file where you want to add your new slides. Click on the slide where you want the new presentation to begin. Next, navigate to the Home tab on the top ribbon. Click the arrow next to New Slide and select Reuse Slides at the very bottom of that menu. A panel will open on the right side of your screen. Click the Browse button, locate the second PowerPoint file on your computer and open it. You will now see all the slides from your second presentation lined up in that right panel. But before you start clicking, there is one crucial step. If you want these new slides to keep their original colors and design, you must check the box at the bottom that says Keep Source Formatting. If you leave this unchecked, the imported slides will automatically change to match the design of your main presentation. Once you have made your choice, simply click on the individual slides you want to add, or right-click and choose Insert All Slides to bring them all over at once. And that is it. You have successfully combined your presentations. If this guide helped you, please like the video and subscribe to ClearTask for more straightforward tutorials. See you next time.